Your browser is about to become your best coding partner. In 2025, developers aren't just coding in IDEs. Your browser is now part of your toolkit. So today I'm showing you the top Chrome extensions that developers should be using right now. These tools can help you code faster, debug smarter, and understand systems better, all directly from your browser. Whether you're a front-end engineer, back-end dev, or full-stack freelancer, these picks are designed to save time and unlock real performance. Let's get started. Cider, your AI coding assistant. First up, Cider. It's more than a sidebar. It's like having a senior engineer next to you. This tool brings ChatGPT-style support right into the browser. Here's how it works. You're browsing GitHub and you find a block of confusing code. Just highlight it, click the Cider icon, and ask what it does. It explains the logic in plain language, suggests alternatives, or can even convert the code to a different language. Stuck on a bug? You can paste the error into Cider and it'll suggest solutions. Writing unit tests? It helps generate them for JavaScript, Python, and more. Pro tip: use Cider while browsing Stack Overflow to test out alternate answers without switching to your editor. It's perfect for junior developers learning new syntax or senior devs writing documentation fast. Octotree, GitHub reimagined. Next up, Octotree. This one changes how you explore GitHub forever. Normally, browsing code on GitHub is clunky. You're opening one file at a time, backing out, clicking into folders, and repeating. Octotree fixes that. It adds a file explorer sidebar, like the one in VS Code, right on GitHub. You get collapsible folders, quick navigation, search, and even bookmarks. This is super helpful when browsing open source projects, doing pull request reviews, or onboarding into a large repo. You don't have to clone the repo just to understand the structure. Pro tip: use Octotree when doing client code audits. It cuts exploration time in half. JSON Formatter, API. Work made easy. If you work with APIs, and let's be honest, who doesn't? Then JSON Formatter is a lifesaver. Raw JSON is hard to read. It's all jammed into one line or in weird blocks. JSON Formatter auto-formats any JSON in the browser. It adds indentation, color coding, power coding, collapsible trees, and makes big payloads readable. It's also great for spotting errors, comparing data structures, or just understanding what the backend is sending. Use it when testing APIs in Postman or hitting REST endpoints from the browser. And if you're working on front-end dev with dynamic responses, this tool makes debugging so much easier. Wapalizer. What's this site built with? Ever open a competitor's site and think, how'd they build this? Wapalizer gives you that answer. In one click, it shows you the tech stack of any website. JavaScript frameworks, CMS, e-commerce tools, analytics, hosting, and even CDN providers. You'll know if they're using React, Tailwind, Google Tag Manager, Cloudflare, or Shopify. Great for market research, client pitches, or spying on competitors without touching their code. Pro tip: use Wapalizer while prospecting freelance clients. You'll instantly see what stack they use and what services they're missing. Postman Interceptor. Smart API debugging already using Postman. Make it even better with Postman Interceptor. This extension links your browser cookies and sessions directly into Postman. That means you can hit an API endpoint in your browser, and Postman will automatically capture the AUTH tokens and headers. No more manually copying bearer tokens or session cookies. It's extremely helpful when working with auth-protected APIs, like OAuth or JWT-based systems. This bridges the gap between browser testing and Postman testing, and saves hours of frustration when dealing with login flows or session-specific responses. Web Developer Extension. Old school power. Let's talk about an old classic, Web Developer Extension. This toolbar gives you a full suite of browser testing tools, all in one panel. You can disable JavaScript, view source without cache, test form behavior, resize screen sizes, validate HTML, manipulate cookies. It does almost everything. It's still one of the most complete front-end dev toolkits out there. And even if you're using DevTools, this extension adds convenience that saves time. Use it during QA phases, pre-deployment, or while working with legacy systems. ColorZilla. Design accuracy matters. Front-end developers. This one's for you. ColorZilla lets you grab any color from any web page, even gradients. You can copy hex codes, build custom palettes, and instantly preview colors live. It also works great when clients ask for, "Just match this blue," and you have no idea what blue they mean. You can zoom in, sample exact pixels, and apply them to your CSS or design system. Bonus: it includes a CSS gradient generator too. Design accuracy matters, and ColorZilla helps you nail it every time. Bonus picks: lightning round. Need more power tools? Here are 4 more Chrome extensions every dev should know. What runs? Like Wapalizer, fast tech stack detection, Lighthouse, performance, SEO, and accessibility audits in one click. React Developer Tools. Inspect your React components and props. CSS Viewer. Hover and see styles instantly without inspecting. All free, all powerful. Recap. Build your dev browser. Stack, let's run it back. Cider. AI for code understanding and testing. Octotree. Browse GitHub like an IDE. JSON formatter. Readable API responses. Wapalizer. Check any website stack. Postman interceptor. Smarter API testing. Web developer extension. Full control of your front-end tools. ColorZilla. Design with pixel precision. Plus, what runs? Lighthouse, React Tools, and CSS Viewer. These tools turn Chrome from a browser into a full-blown dev assistant. Oh, true? Let's talk. Which extension was your favorite? Have a hidden gem I should check out? Let's build this list together. Drop your favorite in the comments. If you got value, hit like, subscribe to TechVibeVault, and stay tuned for more dev-friendly tools every week. Thanks for watching. Happy coding, and keep building smarter.